Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dayna from This Pixie Creates, and in this video I'm going to be showing you what I've been crocheting lately. It's a little bit random and all over the place, but that is my style, so I hope you enjoy it. This year I made a goal to use yarn that I already have, and a large portion of that yarn happens to be cotton yarn. So I don't know whether it's the warmer weather or the fact that I've been spending a lot more time in the kitchen, but I've been wanting to make things for my kitchen. So I started off with this polka dotty dishcloth, and then I worked my way into making hot pads, so this fairy dust hot pad. These patterns are going to be available soon in the form of a video tutorial on this YouTube channel, so stay tuned. I've made these potholders so many times to try to make them as seamless as possible, except for that long diagonal seam along the back side, but otherwise seamless. I tested out these hot pads to see if they worked, and yes, they do. I'm so happy. They protected the counter and they still look brand new. This is the Summer Market Tote, which is a pattern by Alita Danette. This is a Tunisian crochet pattern, and at first I was really nervous to try this pattern because I've only ever done Tunisian crochet in a straight row by row, but this pattern is so easy to follow and I'm so glad that I tried it. This will be my first ever crochet bag when I'm finished. Despite what it looks like, I used up a lot of my cotton yarn stash, so much that I decided to order some more, specifically Dishie cotton yarn. I swear that this video is not sponsored by We Crochet, but they are welcome to sponsor me anytime. I just love Dishie yarn. It's really easy on the budget, it's soft and durable, and every stitch that is really textured looks great with it. I placed my order, and a few days later, I haven't had new yarn in a long time, so this was a very happy and exciting day for me. I don't know what it is about getting new yarn, but it feels like the possibilities are endless. I don't know about you guys, but I always get a little nervous when I buy yarn online because I can't physically see the color, and sometimes computer screens and cameras make the colors look a little bit different than they are in person. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing for you guys in the best light that I could so that you can see what this yarn actually looks like, and then decide for yourselves whether or not you like it. The first up is a skein of Brava Bulky in the color Seraphim. It's like a very dull purple mauve that almost looks brown or gray. Next up is Honeydew, and the camera really does do this one justice. I think it looks exactly like how it is on camera. Swan is a creamy white that isn't too yellow, so if you like kind of more like the warm white without it being too yellow, that's a great color. Next up is Blue, and it's like a traditional royal blue color. Very pretty. Next up is Sunbaked, and this is like an orangey brown that almost looks rust. It's a very in color right now, and it's one of Dishie's newest colors. Linen is like a soft, light, warm brown color. It's very pretty. Last but not least is Dishie Multi, which is a bunch of different colors mixed together. So this is orange, yellows, and whites. I really wanted to give it a try. It looks kind of funky. When this yarn arrived, I wasn't actually ready for it because I was still working on a couple of projects. So instead of diving right into the box like I really wanted to, I decided to be responsible, pack it all up, and put it away until I was ready to use it. Alright guys, so this is the exciting part. We're working with some new yarn now. This is the color Swan. I've never used it before, but I just love the creaminess of it. So I made these two pot holders. I'm still not sure what to call them, but yes, they will be patterns and they will probably be video tutorials. So as you guys can see, I'm a little obsessed with pot holders right now, and I've been trying out different stitches to see which I like. I'm currently working on a second of these hot pads in the color Linen because I like to test the pattern multiple times to make sure that it works and that I can recreate it. This is the last project. I'm making a small hand towel to wipe my hands in the kitchen using the Tunisian Simple Stitch and the color Honeydew. I hope you guys enjoyed this little deep dive into what I've been crocheting, and thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to let me know in the comments what you've been working on and if you also like cotton yarn or getting new yarn in the mail. Alright, have a wonderful day guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.